What's up, guys? We're headed down to the cabin I'm building, and in the back of the truck is all of the recycled lumber that I've found and had given to me. So, yeah, I'll see you when we get there.
That's alright, tomorrow night we'll have to watch it. Sometimes you gotta drink about somebody. That ain't gonna bring them back. Sometimes you gotta cry with somebody. Think about their life. You gotta get
Hey, slow down here. Yes, we're here, and it doesn't look like much, but this is the start of a small cabin. Over here, we got the roof metal covering all the wood, so it doesn't rot. Not all the wood, obviously, but it's just kind of a trial and error kind of thing. We got just a bunch of random wood out here, pretty much. Seeing what we can do with it. Laid this wall down right here. This is just a kind of a makeshift wall that I made a while back to just get a general idea what we're doing. It's all recycled lumber. Most of this is just pallet wood. The walls right here, this is just pallet wood. That's just pallet wood right there. But this over here, that's actual lumber. And what's under there is actual lumber. And under this tarp right here is plywood. Whole pieces of plywood that I found in the dumpster. So, we're going to try to get the floor done today. We've already got a few braces in. I do gotta fix a couple of them and even them out. Nail the plywood down, and that should be it for today. I'll go ahead and get started. Doesn't look like I got too much done, but I had to fix all of these boards, and now I'm just now starting to get these boards done right here, and then after that after I get all those done at a later day, I'll throw this plywood on there, nail it down, and then I'll start working on the walls and stuff like that and the roof. I don't know, well, I need to go ahead and start putting stuff up. It's starting to storm. Weather in Oklahoma is pretty crazy. It'll just change in 2 minutes. So, this is kind of real flat land, so it might be known, it's known for tornadoes coming through here, so I need to go ahead and start putting stuff up. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Yep, I knew it was gonna get bad. These windshield wipers are bad too, and I can barely see. Well, everything's alright, I made it back. So, I don't think I'm gonna be going dumpster diving tonight. Maybe tomorrow night, guys.